talking about?
Try to clap.
What are you talking about?
Clapping.
What are you talking about, honey?
Alika and Daddy are clapping. Clap.
Tickle, tickle the toes. Tickle, tickle the toes. I'm gonna kiss you.
Hi, Gorilla. Can you open your mouth?
Say hi.
Now chew. Elephant. Elephant. Watch the elephant hold one leg up, then the other. Arms up.
Arms up.
Arms up.
Arms up.
Put your arms up like Keelan.
Pretty girl, too.
Arms down.
Arms down.
Now put your arms down like Lauren.
Toes. Toes.
Try to move your feet like this.
You're talking so much, honey.
Baby.
Baby. Where's the baby? There's the baby. Babies.
Get your little bear.
Babies.
Get your little
Look at
bear.
the cute babies. Are you a
Get
baby?
your little bear. Get your little bear.
Can you say eyes? Eyes. Close your eyes.
Can you get your bear? Say hi.
Can you say nose?
Nose.
The bunny is moving their nose
Kiss.
up and down.
Kiss. Kiss,
Next time,
kiss.
move your nose up and down.
Getting the kisses from the bear. Get the bear kisses.
Mouth.
Get the bear kisses.
Mouth.
Get the
Lauren
bear
has her finger
kisses.
in her mouth.
Where's your